Hello, today we will present our smart electric hybrid bike project to you. And this is our project team. First of all, bicycles have been developed since 1890 and it's aimed to make riding easier with different combinations. Hybrid bicycle is a system that takes its power from pedaling like a standard bicycle, but helps the driver with an electric motor for support. In addition, the smart electric hybrid bike is a sustainable bike sharing system that eliminates the necessity of carrying a bike and can be integrated into the transportation network in the living area. We are planning to make a smart electric hybrid bike focused on BMS. Before we talk about why we choose this project, let's look at why our project is needed in the market. These vehicles are close to our goals. These are electric scooter and standard bicycle. Standard bicycles are the number one transportation vehicle for reducing carbon emissions, but for short distances. In daily use, in order to going from home to work or making a visit, it can be quite tiring and slow in big cities like Istanbul. In addition, it can be dangerous because it does not allow any mechanism that protects the driver. Problems such as being undetected, especially during night driving, may cause fatal accidents. Electric scooters are more comfortable and easier than bicycles to reach from one place to another. However, it is impossible to use a vehicle for sports since its only purpose is to provide transportation. This vehicle, which takes all its power from electricity, for this reason is less environmentally friendly than a bicycle.
The electric hybrid bicycle, which is a combination of electric motor vehicles and bicycle, has become a very useful and solution-oriented means of transportation. It combines two of the main purposes of the bicycle, which are transportation and sports. Although it's healthy and fast, you do not have to compromise on anything thanks to the support of the electric motors, which are difficult to use in long distance. Our primary goal in our project is to design a battery control system. While designing the BMS, our priority is ensure that the battery is safely charged and discharged after selecting the appropriate battery for the bike we will design. We will not move on the next steps until we achieve this first priority. Later on, we are planning to prepare a panel where we can see many physical features such as the capacity of the battery, charge and discharge information, and temperature. Besides, since global warming is a big problem today, we are also looking for ways to regeneratively recover the lost energy. We know that the energy gain of our friends who worked on electric bicycles in the previous year is between 80% and 10%. We are continuing our research to increase this rate. And we want to design a battery that can be attached and removed mechanically. In this way, we can quickly replace the spare battery with a dead battery while it's fully charged. BMS is a system that provides control and supervision of batteries. Today, BMS is used in battery-containing devices such as energy storage units and electric vehicles. Data information such as voltage status, temperature, charge status, discharge density, current and durability status of the battery can be monitored instantly. Maximum charge and discharge current voltage measured in cells or batteries, number of the charge-discharge cycles are calculated. When the optimal value is exceeded according to measured values, the system is intervened and system protection is provided. In case such as high current draw from batteries, leakage current, high temperature, the system is intervened. In case of high voltage or low voltage that may occur in one or more of the battery cells, the system is intervened and balancing is done.
BKS-R3 Pro. This bike is resistant to high weight. With the panel on it, data such as speed and charge can be accessed. Although it is 27 kg, it is foldable and high portability. However, there is no adaptive braking mechanism. It also lacks regenerative braking. Carraro S-Sportive 602. Thanks to its high range, this bike can cover much longer distances than its competitors. It has a battery that can be charged 80% in 3 or 5 hours. However, there is no safety brake and regenerative energy regeneration. Xiaomi. This bike, which is foldable and light, provides ease of transport, and while this bike provides convenience with its health, charge, power, distance, data, and phone application, it has a low maximum load capacity and is not suitable for every user. In addition, there is no safety brake and energy regeneration system. Mercedes. While it provides access to data such as speed, charge with a panel of it, which has a smartphone application, it's difficult to portable. In addition, there is no safety brake. This is the comparison shape. This is the comparison diagram. There are products we found in the literature review. In addition, we specified the features of the project that was carried out the previous year. While upgrading the BMS in previous year's project, we also want to make mechanical improvements. If time and cost are sufficient, we would like to start safety systems. This is our diagram. In diagram, we have shown the information taken from the engine and the wheel in a small way. In the engine part, information such as engine speed, torque, temperature is sent to ECU. While in the wheel, the speed of the wheel is sent to the ECU. At the same time, information is sent to a phone application with the help of Bluetooth so that users can see information in the ECU. In the battery part, the data read from the battery is constantly controlled by BMS. Depending on the situation, BMS is expected to intervene.
According to the laws of the Republic of Turkey, the electric bicycle we will build cannot exceed 250 watts and 25 km/h. For this reason, we will design our motor selection and battery power output according to these values. Apart from that, these are specific needs in battery health, energy recovery, and range. While carrying out our work, we took care to stick to this plan. Thank you very much for listening to us.